here we go, camper's built, everything's ready. Going on my first adventure with it. Hope this goes well. I'm going to a place called BUTCHERS FLAT, which is one of the Department of Conservation New Zealand campsites. So it's really not too far away from home. So I just want to try this out and see how it goes. I just want to try all the stuff out and everything, and do a bit of a video and take some videos of the camper as well. Now it's all done, and just see if I've got everything sort of right, you know, the bits and pieces that I need. But let's see how it goes, eh? So first trip, I think it's going to be pretty cool. Just on the road now, just leaving Picton, and this is State Highway 1 on the South Island, just heading towards Blenheim. Pop into a spares place over here. I need to get some sort of mount for my camera. I want to try and be able to record some stuff inside the camper, but I need somewhere to mount my camera on the wall or something. I'm gonna have a quick look and see what they've got, like as in car accessory phone holder typey things. Got myself some apple pie. I've got myself roast veggies and roast beef and vegetables, and tomorrow morning's breakfast, all dehydrated. And myself a little chair. I don't know, I reckon it'll hold my weight, but I have my doubts. We'll see anyway, we'll try it out tonight. So far I'm really happy with the way the truck's going. I mean, I'm cruising along on 90 k's an hour, and I mean, you can feel the camper on the back, but it doesn't feel terrible. I mean, it's not like it's overloaded or anything like that. It feels like it's just a ute that's got a bit of weight on it. So I'm really happy with it so far, the way it's driving. So just a quick break from that video, and I want to show you how the camper turned out. All the build and everything. I know we're halfway through a video, but I thought I'd just give you a quick glimpse at what the final product looked like. It's got the windows on the side over here, you notice there, and then got my stairs all on the back, the doors. Let's go and have a look on the inside, shall we? My little tie back string to do that. So yeah, the inside, got my drawers all fixed in there now nicely, my water bottle, water tank, dishwashing stuff, my fridge is in. That's the bed setup. It sort of stays like that now. I thought I'd be taking that panel out more or not, but not so much. Solar panel all up there, it's all up and running, it's working really well. I can keep that fridge running all the time as long as I get some sun, and I've got the deep cycle battery underneath. It sits down under there inside that wooden box. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, how it came. Still want to put a maybe a couple of those little windows, little portal windows that I made. I still do those. I haven't done that yet. Solar panels all on the roof. You see that on the drone footage. So I'll leave you guys to get back to your adventure. I think you guys are just about to leave Havelock, if I'm not mistaken, and start heading out towards Canvas Town. Anyway, thanks very much. Like I was saying, as we come out of Havelock, that's part of the sounds. That's tidal, that there. Like, you'll come here later today on low tide and that'll be all mud. But then you head out into the sounds out through that gully there, through between those hills. But this is beautiful. From here, if you're travelling through to Nelson, it's about 70 k's or so still to get through to Nelson, but it's all through the hills. So that's real nice driving. Very, 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 very scenic. I love it. Canvas Town, like I said, it really is a small little place. It really is a nice little spot. And then I think we'll stop at the pub and have a look in there. Get a quick beer. Let's find a spot to park and we'll grab a beer, I think. Polaris Tavern. There's the Polaris Tavern. We're going to be heading up that road there. That's where we're going to go camping tonight. Let's have a beer first, I think. There we go. I was thinking about ghosts here. I had heard there was supposed to be some hauntings around here, but don't know. Hopefully they don't bother me tonight. Enjoy this too much. That's my not happy face. Well, the beer tasted good, as it always does. Right, so now we're on the Marina Road. This is now off the state highway going up to the campsite. Right hand side, just on the other side of this bank, is a real nice river. And this is all trout fishing as well. Cool little place in here. It's real nice. Pretty easy now that I've got this camp truck, like a shed camper. I don't have to do anything. I fold the stairs out and that's it, I'm done. And that's it, I just chillax. It's pretty cool. We're so lucky to live here. I really am. I love it. And this is the nice part is, this is like on my doorstep. I'm only like 70 k's away from home, 50, 60, 70 k's away from home, depending on which way around I come. So fortunate. The whole of New Zealand's like this, man. You come to these small roads and you find real beautiful places. And this is just between Nelson and Blenheim, man. It's so nice. Butcher's Flat now. This is the entrance in, sort of down into the campsite. There's the campsite down there, I'd say. Let's have a look at how busy it is. It is in season. We're still in 1st of February. So there are still quite a few people around, even though it's rainy and looks like winter. It's still actually quite warm. Oh, here we go. There's some people there already. So this is how you pay at these campsites, DOC campsites. You fill out that, you get your cash, you put it in the envelope, you tear off the green piece, that goes on your car or your tent, and then you drop it in there. Most people in New Zealand are pretty honest. Every now and then you'll get just a DOC guy will come around and check on people. And here we are. Trucks here, made it, didn't fall off. Was pretty good. Lovely spot in the hills. Well, here we go. We made it. Got all the way through here. It's inside. I've got my little mount on the wall there. Hopefully the camera's going to work. I'm not sure how that's going to work. I might have to put a few around the different places. I'm not even sure whether the phone's going to be the right way to go. Whether I'll need to put a GoPro in here or something like that. There's not many people here. It's still a bit rainy. It's warm though, muggy. But yeah, I'm going to settle down and chillax a little bit. Okay. Slept pretty well last night. Real comfy. Warm. Slept with the door open most of the night. Mattress. Need to do some work on that though. That doesn't work very well. Got my morning coffee, so that's good. Real pleasant. From the edge of the campsite down to the river. It's pretty beautiful. The whole night you can hear that running, which is really, really nice. It's pretty deep down there. There's a couple of swimming holes. I might try to look down there just now before I leave. It's nice to have the camper, but everything's got its place. It's really cool. Had my cup of coffee, got up, found out I left off my camera's flat. My GoPro has got no power, so I'm busy charging that before we go. Also noticed when we were coming through that the videos I was recording as I was coming through the towns and that, having it on the dashboard, which was a phone, focuses on the window wipers and the raindrops on the window, so I'll do that a little bit different going back. I might have to put the GoPro out the window or something. I'm going to take a walk down to the river. I want to go and look and see, take a couple of videos of that. So it's real pretty down there. I suppose one thing I'm going to have to do is on these windows, I'm going to have to make something like a bit of a fly screen or something to keep the bugs out. It didn't really bother too much last night when I was in here, but it seems like the sandflies are not very active at night. Down quickly. I'll do this one-handed. Awesome, head down to the river, yeah. So these are the things we have to put up with in New Zealand. Pretty tough, eh? Up there was where I was looking down from. And look at the water. Beautiful. We really are fortunate. That water, man, that's beautiful and clear. Don't know what the trout fishing's like here. I'd say it'd probably be good. Further downriver maybe. If you've been fishing here, leave a comment, let me know. Bit of sunshine coming off as well now. Look at that. Back over here, there's a bit of a cave. Let's have a look. Let's go to. Dugout. That's cool though. This track goes back up that way. Check it out. Just back around to here. Places of interest there coming out. Film the pack up at the campsite a little bit better and do breakfast and that, but when I got up I realised that the GoPro's battery was flat. These are part of the things I need to learn, I suppose, when I'm doing this sort of stuff, making sure batteries are flat, charged overnight. I left my phone, that would have gone flat as well, so a little bit more planning maybe the night before and not too much, yeah, that's probably what I did wrong there. Anyway. Morning cows. Found a little spot that'll be nice to fly the drone, but just have a quick look up this creek because it really is beautiful. It's really, really nice down there. other way from where we came in yesterday. So back on State Highway 6, now we're heading towards Havelock again now. Like I said, Havelock yesterday we came through. Not sure how the video footage came out, so I'm reshooting this, coming in the other way now, and have a look and see what it looks like. And here we are. Like I said yesterday, Havelock, going out that way on the water, has got the marina down the bottom, and that's the entrance into the other part of the sounds. So you've got the Marlborough Sounds and the Queen Charlotte Sounds. So this gets you into one of the sounds, and out in Picton where I live, it gets you into the other side of it. They're not linked up together. You know, have to drive around the back here. So you can go from here on trips, water taxis. This town's also really known for nice little pubs. It's a pretty quaint little place. It's got some restaurants. They do the what are these mussels? The green lip mussels or something like that. That's pretty popular as well. This little town can get quite busy as well in season, and it's sort of the halfway between not really the halfway, but it's one of the stop-offs between sort of Blenheim and Nelson. So people like to stop here and get a bit of food and maybe get a drink or something. Again, that was it. Yesterday when we were going there, I said to you we were going past the airport from Blenheim. That's one road across that way. It's actually over there. We're just going on one road closer to the mountains, and we're heading back this way. It's a little bit shorter, and also I don't need to go into town. The reason I went that way was because I needed to go to town to grab a few bits and pieces. Campsites on the side over here on the left. This is not one of those dock ones, this is a privately owned one I think, but apparently it's really nice. So if you're ever out this way, yeah, I've only heard good things about it. I enjoyed it. Nice for me to try out the camper and all the bits and pieces, and try out the video recording and see how that all went for me. I learned a bit. It was good. Remember guys, if you enjoyed the video, like I said, this is the first one I've done that I've not been in the workshop, so it's a little bit new for me. But yeah, please, if you like it, remember to like and please subscribe. And because it makes it, I enjoy doing the videos, and hopefully, you know, more people that like it and subscribe it.